This storm showed that what can happen when you have a disaster like Katrina, where you have a large number of people living in a small area, and the power of a storm or earthquake or a man-made disaster can really create chaos. And normally when that happens, it will be the poor, uninformed people who are going to be affected the most. And we need to prepare before these events to make sure we have good contingency in our community, to make sure that we take care of those who can't take care of themselves.